Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in another Dot Mandala making video. Here is a 23-inch MDF board. The details about the circles and the grids will be there in the description. These are the colors that I'm going to use in this mandala: gold, pink and salmon pink. I'll start with golden dot in the center. In the next circle I'll keep pink dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep salmon pink dots. I'll keep 2 tiny dots. Now I'll keep pink dots again. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes. Now I'll keep 2 tiny dots. I'll keep golden dots in this circle now. Now I'll keep 2 tiny dots. Now I'll keep golden dots on alternate lines in this circle. Now I'll keep 1 salmon pink dot just above this golden dot. Now I'll walk the dot using salmon pink. Now I'll keep a pink dot here. I'll walk the dot using pink now. Now I'll keep golden dots just above these pink dots. Now I'll work the dots with gold. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in gold. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in pink. Now I'll keep 2 more side swipes in salmon pink. In the next circle I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep tiny dots now. In this circle I'll keep pink dots. I'll keep tiny dots now. In the next circle, I'll keep salmon pink dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots. In the next circle, I'll keep pink dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep golden dots in this circle. I'll keep golden dots on all the lines plus one in the middle. Now I'll keep two salmon pink dots just above the golden dots only on the line. Now I'll work the dots both the layer using salmon pink. I'll keep a golden dot towards the edge of the circle line. I'll keep a pink dot in between. Now I'll work the dots third layer using pink. Now I'll work the dots with gold. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in gold. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in pink. I'll keep 2 more side swipes in salmon pink. I'll keep golden dots on all the lines in this circle plus 1 in the middle. I'll keep a salmon pink dot just above these golden dots. Now I'll work the dots with salmon pink. I'll keep golden dots towards edge of this MDF board. I'll keep a pink dot in between. Now I'll work the dots using pink. Now I'll work the dots using gold. I'll keep a golden dot in between. I'll keep a straight swipe in gold now. I'll keep 2 side swipes in pink now.